bottle. So I am go ahead and squeeze a little bit of the precision glue gels, and I'm going to seal completely the bead. So now you do not need to seal the crystal, because crystal had the condensed glue gel and the white charcoal to grab the base of the crystal so well, so it's not going anywhere but stay on your nails until the next time you're going to do the new set, unless you really like have the hammers and stuff to just like destroy it. But other than that, it's not going anywhere but stay on your nails. So I'm go ahead and seal all the beads completely, because it's not only to prevent from catching on the hair, but also is prevent from getting tarnished. And then I am not squeezing anything out yet. I'm gonna go check, do a little exams around all the flowers, all the crystals, and then if you feel scratchies, only you need to do right here scratchy, you only need to do just that much. Little go a long way. Just little, and that's it. And if you need to do it more, absolutely you can, like flash key it for 30 seconds and go back and seal it again to prevent from getting like really heavy layer of a precision glue gel will like floating your crystal. It looks lumpy after you cure, so it doesn't look like flawless. So we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds completely, and then this will be completely done.